Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting started is simple, but crucial for perfect results. Thawing your salmon properly is the first step. Avoid using warm water, which can start cooking the fish. Once thawed, patting your salmon completely dry with paper towels is essential. This removes excess moisture, which helps achieve a beautiful, crispy skin and prevents steaming. It only takes an extra minute but makes a huge difference in texture. A great salmon doesn't need complex seasonings. We'll use a classic trio: salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Start with a moderate amount on both sides of your dry fillets. This basic seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the salmon without overpowering it. Feel free to adjust to your taste, but don't overdo it. A little fresh lemon juice, either now or after cooking, really brightens everything up. Pan-searing delivers that restaurant-quality crispy skin we all love. Make sure your pan is hot before adding the oil, then let the oil shimmer. Place the salmon's skin side down. This initial searing creates that wonderful crispy texture. Resist the urge to move it for those first 4-5 minutes. Then, flip it carefully and cook for just a few more minutes on the other side to finish cooking through evenly. Knowing when your salmon is perfectly cooked prevents dry, overdone fish. The easiest way to check is with a meat thermometer, aiming for 145 degrees Fahrenheit at its thickest part. If you don't have one, just look for it to flake easily with a fork. Once cooked, let the salmon rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist result every single time. Now for the best part: enjoying your delicious creation. This perfectly pan-seared salmon pairs beautifully with fresh, simple sides. Think about a crisp green salad, some steamed vegetables, or even a quick quinoa. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs, like dill or parsley, will elevate your dish both in taste and appearance. It's truly a gourmet meal made easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.